In our trading relationship, both Eduardo and Nacho mentioned how strong it is. We work very well together on an institutional basis at the WTO, for example, working together to make sure the appellate body is re-established and back up and running, and working together on that situation. And in terms of our trading relationship, I mean, total trade between us continues, or has, at least until this crisis, continued to go from strength to strength. 52 billion pounds sterling last year, which is an increase of 4.4% over the previous year. Spain is the UK's 7th largest trading partner, accounting for 3.7% of total UK trade. And it's actually one of the most diverse trading relationships, from the automotive sector to food and drink, finance to telecoms. It is a very, very strong relationship. And the UK actually exports more to Spain than 3 of the BRICS combined: Russia, Brazil, and India. So our trading relationship there is extremely important. And for many Spanish regions, the UK is actually the #1 market for exports. And actually Spain is the UK's #1 provider of, #1 supplier of fresh food from outside of the UK. And on services, the UK is Spain's #1 trading partner, eclipsing the huge revenue generated even by British tourism. Spain is actually the largest European investor in the UK financial sector. I think Santander, Banco Sabadell, and others are on the line. And also Spain makes many of the most popular cars on British roads. And as we saw at the UK-Spain Trade and Investment Awards in February, our bilateral relationship goes from strength to strength. And in reverse, the UK is the 2nd largest investor into Spain, and is actually on track, or had been on track, to overtake the United States to become the world's largest foreign investor into Spain this year. And since 1993, the UK has represented 21% of all foreign direct investment into Spain. And the number of direct and indirect jobs that British companies are responsible for in Spain numbered 240,000 last year, according to the British Chamber of Commerce in Spain. And meanwhile, Spanish investments in the UK totaled around 50.2 billion pounds, 56 billion euros, up 5.2% on the previous year.